Hi. So I've done most of these now, and I got one that let's see, that's not it. Got one that's cracked. Oh, here it is. The one that's cracked, and so if I try to take this one and make it slide past another one, it's going to catch. So I get to redo it and show you. So what I'm doing is heat bending these with this light bulb. I'm sorry for the contrast. I'm sure it's going to suck. So I can go from that to that. Yeah, this is straight off the printer, and this is after melting. So here's how you do it. This little part right there is going to be your target. You just lay the light bulb over the top of it. This thing's been heating up for a minute or so. So I lay it over the top there. I'm sure it's impossible to see. And then let's see if I can adjust the contrast. Oh, barely. Huh. So right in there you'll see the base there. And then tension around the fabric and hold on to it for like 20 seconds. And the tension pulls the nylon against the light bulb, which heats up the nylon and makes it form to the light bulb. And just about the time your fingers start to burn is about when it's ready. You go too long, it'll stick to the light bulb, and you gotta start over. So it's kind of important to get the time right. That's about right. Okay. It's still really hot, so you take it off. You can actually mold it right now. That's that.